Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at the OKNIFE LK pocket knife with rechargeable flashlight. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So let's get this open. Here's a README. It says the device ships in lockout mode. To unlock, press and hold the switch for about 2 seconds to turn the light on. Fully charge the battery before use. Red light blinks when charging. Green light is when it's fully charged. It says during charging, only the middle charging brightness is supported. So here we have the knife and light. Now this has a very cool design on it. Take a look at that in a little more detail in a second. Let's get the accessories out. So I'll pull this out. Here we have the charge cable. This is a USB-C to USB-C charge cable. Then under that we have the manual. Pull it out. So OKNIFE is a sister company to Olight. So this shows the different parts. We have the blade, flipper, light switch. It has main light and RGB light. It has a pocket clip, USB-C charging. The handle material is aluminum. The blade material is M390 D2 steel. Charge time is about 60 minutes. Brightness is 3000 candela. 110 meter beam distance. It's IPX5 waterproof rated. 1 meter drop resistance. Has a 340 milliamp hour battery. This shows the run times. So on turbo, runtime is 1 minute, and then it drops to 50% for 50 minutes. High is 100 lumens. Runtime is 1 hour and 30 minutes. On low, it's 10 lumens. Runtime is 13 hours. The RGB light is 7 lumens. Runtime is 3 hours. So very long runtime on that low mode. And oftentimes when I'm camping, if I get up in the middle of the night, I don't really want the highlight. I just want the low light so I can see the trail in front of me. This shows opening the knife, locking the blade, closing the knife, operating the flashlight. So you hold it down for 2 seconds to lock it. That will keep it from turning on in your pack. To turn it on, we press the button. Change the brightness level, we hold it. Turbo mode, you double tap. Beacon light, you triple tap. And you do that while it's on. Now for RGB light, when it's off, you want to triple tap and you go to RGB mode. Hold down the button to go between the different modes. Double tap for red light, triple tap for red beacon, and you can press the button for the battery level indicator. And then this talks about charging. So we have notes on the back. Let's look at the light up close. So this has this green with a splattered design on it. We have a clip. This is the unlock here. So you can press down the button, pull the blade out. That swings out easily. You can also fling it out. So I can hold down on this and fling it out. And then it locks with that button. And fling it back in also. So there's 2 ways to open it. Blade length on this is about 2.5. Now that's the length this way. Since it's angled, it'll be a little bit longer. We have the light on the side. So I'll hold this down to turn it on. So I'll turn this on, press it again. So now the light is on, so I can hold it like this. I can hold this down to change the brightness. So here we have the higher mode. So there's a little bit of a ring there. It's a pretty even light. Let's do double tap. That's the turbo mode, so that's the brightest mode. Get my sheet out here so I don't miss any of these. So I'll turn it on, and then we'll triple tap. That's going to be the strobe mode. So if you're trying to get attention, you can get a really long runtime out of that strobe mode, or the beacon mode. Now it's off, we'll triple tap. And here we have that RGB light. So I'll hold this down. We're going to go between the different modes. Now I'll double tap this, and we're going to go to red mode. I'll triple tap this, and we go to the beacon. And that's the beacon in red. So a number of different light modes on this. Let's try charging this. So I have a USB charger. You want a USB-C charger. You could potentially use your own USB-C cable. So I'll go to USB-C to USB-C. And now this is lit up, that is charging. So it's charging at 0.25 amps. So let's try this knife out here first, then we'll test out the flashlight a little more. So I'll open the knife up. So I have an envelope here, we'll try cutting this. I cut through that nicely. Here I have some paracord. This is something I commonly cut. Cut through that like butter. So it's a very sharp knife. Now let's look at the light this casts. I'll turn the lights out. So I'm around 4 foot from the wall. Turn the light on. So this is on low. So we kind of have a spotlight. I'm moving my hand a little closer here. You can see the spotlight, and then it kind of has a halo around the perimeter. So if you're walking down a trail at night, it has the brightest light right in front of you, and then it has a little bit of light in the periphery. So now hold it down. There, it's brighter. Now we have a pretty good sized spotlight there. and I'll double tap, and we have turbo mode. So if you see something in the woods and you want a brighter spotlight for a minute, you can turn that mode on. And you can see it kind of fades out to nothing on the edges. Now here's the RGB mode, and this is not going to cast quite as well on the wall. You can kind of see it casting. You can see the light there. You could probably see that mode on my bench a little bit easier. Switching modes. Now if we go to that red mode, you can see that there. So if we had something to read at night and we don't want to blow out our night vision, we can use that red light. Or if we want to attract attention, we can have that red beacon. So that's the OKNIFE LK folding knife with flashlight. The best flashlight is often the one you have with you. With this knife flashlight combo, you have flashlight built right into your knife, so you don't have to carry two things. When I'm camping, I often carry a knife and a flashlight. With this, I can have both in one item. This flashlight is just perfect for what I use it for. I was just camping last week. I'd get up early to go to the shower house, and I just wanted a little bit of light to light the trail, and a light like this would have been perfect. A light like this would be great for looking in your pack for items. Maybe you break down on the side of the road and you need to work on your engine on your car. You could use a light like this. The nice thing here is I feel like I'm getting a quality knife and a quality light. I don't feel like they skimped on either one. And I really like this color too. This is very easy to see, so if you set this down for a second, you're less likely to misplace it. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.